Hey guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could fix a camera not working for your Asus X515 series computer. The first step which you want to do, you want to go to your search tab and type camera and make sure to click on camera application to open. Once done, you will need to go to your keyboard and we want you to go to your keyboard, the physical keyboard, and check for F10. There you will find the camera sign with a slash on it or with a line on it, and I want you to click on it and check what's happened to your camera. For me, because I'm covering the camera, you see this white background, but it means it's working. But for you, you will be able to see your face or to see the camera working. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.